Okay, so today we're going to be diving into social network analysis. And I want to start this off by just giving a little description of why social network analysis can be a really powerful tool for us in our study of social media and the Anthropocene. Okay, so we'll start here. This is a TweetDeck stream of a couple different search topics related to issues of the Anthropocene. And you can see that there's a lot of information on this board. And it's flowing, depending on the topic, quickly or slowly. And I can read this and I can get a very good feel or qualitative understanding for how topics along these, or how conversations along these topics are progressing. I can do the same with Facebook by structuring or just using a little bit of thought in who I like, which groups I like, which organizations I friend, etc., so that I get a flow along my wall of different information I'm interested in. Okay, but that's all very qualitative types of information, which is super important, but sometimes we're in situations where we need some quantitative measurements of different phenomena that we're interested in. And that's where social network analysis comes in. It turns all that qualitative information about the engagement and communication occurring on social media into the quantitative network graph like you see here. Okay. So within these network graphs, there's two main types of measurements that we're going to be exploring in detail. That's centrality, which has to do with how the individual node, like this one down here that I'm circling in the lower left-hand corner, how this individual node is connected to others within the network. And so that's centrality. Okay. The other thing we're going to look at is density distributions, which look at areas where people are tightly interconnected to each other, like these small little orange ones up here, or this broader area that I'm circling kind of in the middle here, and then another one over here, where you have groups that are tightly connected to each other, but maybe not so tightly connected to other individuals or other groups within the network. And so that's density distribution. And so those are the two main measures that we're going to be looking at. Centrality, which measures the individual, and density distribution, which looks at the whole. And we'll jump right into those, into the mechanics of how to do that in our next few sets of videos.